Good morning, আৰু চবকে আজি warm welcome জনাই দি আছে। মোৰ নাম শীতল গুৰুং আছে, মই women on wealth community পৰা আছে। আৰু আজি Saturday morning 11 o'clock আমি আমরা পিছে হফতা পৰা mutual funds লা কথা কৰি আছি। Last week আমি large cap mutual funds কি আছে, কোনবাৰ লবলৈ লাগে, তোদের risk কিমান আছে, এইটোলা কথা কৰিছে। আৰু আজিলা টপিকটো আছে learn about mid cap and small cap mutual funds. And before we begin, apni hanba kun by to video sai ase either live no be recording sai ase basically definitely comment the hi hello likhi dibi to hoile moi ba janibo that apni hanba etia sabuli start hoise and you are beginning to learn and take value. Aru itu topic to apni hanba dusra apni la friends and family khan ki bhi jani dibole mona ase koise kule de if you want to take part in spreading financial awareness and financial education. So, apni invite the video definitely share koribi aru ikilo sabi. Women on Wealth ek tamai ki khanla community ase yate amra financial education day and not financial advice. Kili mane ami khanla ultimate objective to ase that Mikey Khan confidently aru independently tahan by investing koribole. Which means tahan laga decision to kunoba husband, father, brother, broker, bank manager, tai or friend itu logo depend kurina no hoy no lebi nijor la knowledge pra or information and confidently invest koribole hikibo. So we help women take charge of their finances. Aru itu kam damen ba 2011 ba kurina se. Ito Amihan Bra Mutual Fund Series Nagami se shuru kura to. It's part of the Debt Free Nagaland initiative. Under Women on Wealth because financial education thaki shikule hi ami khan pra Nagaland de arbi financial progress to sabule paribo. The ultimate vision is debt free northeast aru itu laga mission dihi ami khan ase that every khorde financially educated maiki khan thaki bole itu laga mission di ase. So I warmly welcome each one of you again to dive deeper into this topic of mid cap funds or small cap funds to KSA. So let's begin. Small cap and mid cap funds to KSA. Okay, now I remember last week kutha kurishi that large cap funds. Now cap kita by cap kobo capitalization itula matlab to market capitalization and in layman terms itu laga size define kore. Okay, kiman chutu company ase nolbi kiman dangor company ase kiman small cap matlab chutu size laga companies khante invest kura fund mid cap koile medium size companies khande invest kura fund kile mane ami khan particularly equity mutual funds la kotha kore ase aru equity mutual funds koile equity stock market to itu funds khan do stock market invest hoise. So today ami khan bara duita kisim laga fund type fund category la kotha kore ase okay. So the small cap or mid cap funds pra size किनेका साइज लगा कंपनी ते इन्वेस्ट करे से इतु ami khan ke information दिए ओके आरो कैप कोइले दो और अपने भी इंटरनेट पर दिखिसिको इंटरनेट ते दिखिसिको ले नोले भी बैंक पे जादा नि जानिसिको ले दो कैप मतलब कैपिटलाइजेशन in simple terms size. Now small caps cases small caps are funds itubra young companies usually tahan itahi early stages of development ase some companies stock market 100-year-old khan bi ase holibi kunoba companies khan do tahan pishi young thakibo na ajikali for example itia news te ahi ase that Zomato for example pishi manokan by Zomato to janibo Zomato market te to kafi time ra ase but I don't think Zomato to 10 years old bi ase company আৰু ইতিয়া তাই স্টক মার্কেটে ঘুষি বলে কোশিশ করে আছে okay তাই বি ইতিয়া স্টক মার্কেট দি জায়গা আৰু বি ডাঙৰ company হবলে so now which means iniga size laga company khan bi market te ase which are very very early stages te ase takhan 10 years old bi stock market te compare korle to they are pretty young and small because আমি খান পৰা জানি আছে 10,000 crores খান laga bhi company ase to itu khan that way that comparison they small cap khan to kafi chotu size la thake aru sebi laga definition hisab te top 100 companies to large capital ase etu ami ebar last week discuss korishe then the next 150 companies to medium size laga ase aru etu pura chotu khan so kunto company small cap fund dido below 250 okay top 250 ti nathaka khan to sob to small cap category de ahe to inika khan laga ase okay now medium capitalization which means etu bishi early to nai tahan market e thaki na olop time hoise medium cap companies khan do they make the 101st and 250th company according to size capitalization hisab te 101st par loina 250th company khan do medium size category de ahibo okay to itu khan la itu category size la companies khan ke invest kura khan ki koi small cap and medium cap okay now apni hala question thakibo iman category laga mutual funds khan ase to ami khan pura small cap aru mid cap funds te invest koribole lagina na lage so to understand that koribole lagina na lage invest itu understand now because small cap or mid cap tahan fairly new tahan la potential ase large cap companies khan hobole na kile mane ajila din de itu company to maybe 500 crores laga company ase kali itu 2000 crores laga bhi hobole paribo in the future tai 5000 crore laga bhi hobole paribo and 10000 crore laga bhi hobo so iniga okono we see that already choto size thaka companies khan do dangor habule iniga chance ase which means huge growth potential okay now itu potential ase kita punchibo itu do na jane ami khan bra and that is why yate and in similar fashion of course medium sized companies can already let's say 2000 crores laga si han bhi 5000 hobuli mon jabo nili bhi 10000 laga rasta te jabo you know in the long term so growth potential to mid cap or small cap te chutu thake now if tahala growth potential ase kole amkan ba puisa kiman itu fund khan di thalibo companies khan ba iman hi grow koribole laga potential ase to tahan kita grow koribo imani ami khan ba invest kora investors khan ba faida pabo profit to pabo right so which means that iniga funds khan iniga size la companies khan de tahan growth potential to ase large cap hobole karone aro hole bi tahan because market te tahan itya be still new players nishina consider koribo right they may still be going through the early stage to one volatility koi tahan performance so maybe ek sal de profit bishi pabo aro maybe next year tahan la profit to komti hobo right or maybe negative te jabo aro maybe next year following year aro positive te jabo to volatility to bishi thakibo in comparison to large cap funds come to tahan all tan stable thaki bishi bola right to kare tahan do safest form iniga thaki equity mutual funds te okay so aru kitia inia upor niche de jabo volatility to thakibo eta upore jaise niche de jaise gole aru kitia upore ahibo profit te pabo itu najani na thakibo ami kan par right because ami khan ba 100% company by ki kore se real time the information to access to koribole na pare pishe wala information to aman historical data thake to etu karone risk to dangor wala thake okay so small cap and mid cap te growth potential bishi ase holibe risk bi dangor wala thake okay to etu karone ami khan pura koshish kore that ami khan laga education pura financial knowledge pura itu analyze koribole koshish kore so that tahan lamba time de investment pura bhal return dibole And please know that Amikan women on wealth usually Amikan long term the bhabi, long term the wealth create koruli bhabi, because we believe that there is no such thing as get rich quick schemes. Okay. So now you understand volatility kiman thake, risk kiman thake, aro growth potential kiman thake. Now, having said this, itu sob combination size shegule, there is no doubt that mid cap or small cap mutual funds, though they form some of the riskiest mutual fund category they be. Aro the other side, flip side of this coin is kiman high risk thakibo, higher returns gain korle laga potential bi thakibo. So itu karne next ami kan pa kotha korbo advantages and disadvantages ki ase. Itia olop advantage disadvantage to ami kan pa explore korishin, and furthermore mid cap small cap laga advantages ki ase itu sabo. Number one, good returns in last few years, and I think especially the last 1.5 year de COVID laga impact pavi saishi economy de kinika, of course, firstly it dipped a lot. Bolivia market is just going up and up and up, and itu bhi contribute korna se. To aji laga time de apne ba saishi kule mutual fund returns khando beshi bhal diya se. Okay, and last 10 years, like average returns, mid cap and small cap funds can be about 15% per annum DSA. Okay, so compare that apni khan ba kori bhi to fixed deposit or with bank savings laga against post office schemes laga comparison de kiman difference DSA mutual funds pra. Okay, now another advantage itula kotha ami an ba olop kuri loishe a high growth potential. Okay, now itu khan because large cap la comparison de chutu size la companies ase, future the large cap companies hopefully potential ase, which means generate korbo taibra bhal return investors khan karle hoile bi ami khan investors khan bra itu bhal company khan te invest kore na nai, bhal fund asina nai, bhal fund manager asina nai, itu sob identify and study koribole karone ami khan ba financial skill to lage. And if you don't know itu skill to nai koishe kule women on wealth ekta jaga se apni an ba itu skill to lobole parabo, you can get financially educated. And about 85% ami khan laga community te mai khan do beginners pra start korishe, no background in finance, no background of studying commerce aro economics, eco background nai, right? So tahan ba bhi ajila din te education loigena skill loigena investing to korese. Next, advantage ki ase kule, we know that anyway mutual funds khan do highly qualified professionals khan bra funds khan to manage kore, right? Aro itu it's all about kinika good quality stocks khan tahan ba analyze kore na study kore na invest kore, itu de depend kore. Okay, itu laga tahan pa study nokurile do return ami khan karne bhal generate korle na paribo, right? And that's where ami khan logot enough knowledge nai kole bi fund managers khan to experts thake aro industry the best talent thaka khan tahan ba fund managers khan banai ami khan la assets to manage koro boli, right? So itu bi ekta advantage ase mutual funds de invest kora that moi na janile bi kun logot knowledge ase taiba kore ase itu na. Now disadvantages of small and mid cap funds, it's a disadvantage advantage ki sule chutu companies khan thaka karne, which means itia tahan grow koribole karne kiman bi profit pabo maximum to tahan baru nijor la company te hi invest kori thakibo, right? Itu karne because tahan laga objective to grow koribole ase na, tahan grow korile hi investors kan pa paisa kamabo kile tahan profit to banabo. Itu karne yate dividend laga option do uncertain thake. Okay, kile mane tahan ba dividend is usually excess profit tahan bara investors kan logot share kore will be dividend la option do yate do uncertain thaki. Next is definitely future small and mid cap laga future to ami hamba predict korole na pare aro market conditions to be depend kore, so lot of factors, which means ami khan itu study koribole method to jani bole lage aro ami khan bra ekbar kinina fund ki kinia monitor koribo itu bi jani bole lage, so that in case kiba change aishe bole ami khan bra right time the right decision lori to ami ba paisa ta diba ulai gina maybe ami khan bra dusra de invest korle paribo, so আমি আমরা quicker movements কৰিবলৈ পাৰিব as investors, and itu সব তো আমি খান লগা financial intelligence পৰা আহে intelligent investments কৰিবলৈ কাৰণে, okay, and that's where skill building আৰু নিজৰ financial education is important. What else? Itu higher risk laga আমি already কথা কৈছে in mid cap and small cap, and কোনোবা companies খান এতিয়া ভাল কৰি আছে কলিবি bankrupt jabule iniga chance ase because tahan growth part te tha dante loan khan bi loigina tahan bra companies ke aggressively grow kura boli bi koshish kura dante iniga tahan loan bishi hoigina bankrupt jabole bi itu khan potential ase versus large cap companies, okay. Next is another interesting thing is that because tahan growth path thake to loans can be tahan bra low, right, and itu best leverage of the loan loigena ki korishe that matters, okay. So interest loan loishe matlab interest rate to certain interest rate thakibo. Now market te government par interest rate khan upor niche kori thake, fixed rate na thake. Recently by member dikise even for individuals small saving schemes laga again tahan bra revise korishe interest rate to ito karne tahan laga mid cap or small cap companies laga growth to interest rate te bi depend koribole paribo aro ito interest rate change hoishibole tahan laga loan kiman loigina ase itu sheet ke bi impact koribole paribo, okay. Aro interest dangor banai dishe bole interest dangor pay korole ulaishe bole again growth potential to tahan laga slow hobole parbo. So these are some impacts versus large cap companies tahan revenue to bhal generate kore stability, and usually large cap companies khan to loan free bi thake tahan lot iman extra cash thake tai khan loan lobuli hi nalage ni khan bi companies khan ase aru tahan many years pra debt free companies khan ase, right. So tahan la comparison de small and mid cap to itu ami khan ba disadvantage dikhibole paribo, okay. Now if you ask us what is our take, to small and mid cap te invest koribole lagi na nalage koise kule because last few years te stock market laga return sensex la return ke bi cross korigina small and mid cap funds ba performance to digina ase, okay. Aro ajikal la din de you know mutual fund investing kole recent time the apps pe man aigena say, right, so many platforms aigena say, so options investors kan garne bishi hoigena say. Similarly funds la options bi te limited nai, to funds la options bi bishi hoigena say. So ami khan la recommendation ase apni khan small cap mid cap eniga de invest korle mon jai shule very long term goals khan karne hi mid and small cap consider koribi kile mane eto volatility ahishi bole which is the nature of the market bishi volatile hoishi bole bi over long period of time like 10 years 2 sal karne invest korishi bole 2 sal time thaka goals khan dur de thaka goals khan lot korishi bole in the process etu khan average out hobole chance ase, to itu karone ami khan overall returns to ami khan ba sundor dikhibole bi chance ase, and for those goals apni khan ba mid and small cap, so which means apni khan ba 3 years goals kan size se kule to short term 2 years 3 years in hoche kule to mid and small cap pra dur de thaka phal ase kile mane apuni khan pra within 2 years paisa lagishu boli 2 years se anything can happen market bishi niche de jayega na upor de ahi boli hi 2 years bi laga boli bi pare right to nohole 2 years se upor de ja laga phase de apni khan invest kori investments khan ke iniga enough time dia nai koishi bole do itu return to sabole ami khan ba tanaba so never chutu term laga investments kana sigole 2 3 or even 5 years laga sigole do small and mid cap to no loile hi phalase because bishi volatility experience korole chances se to returns to kiman stable hobo phal hobo apni khala goal to punchibo na no punchibo we can't say that they are not meant for short term goals okay aro I just wanted to share apni khan logot on the screen a glimpse of 1 second okay moi just screen de dikhabo last time I share kora nishina let me show you ekta mid cap fund okay itu moi bra google korishi top mid cap funds India laga okay aro itu ekta ET money laga website te আমি by ET money endorse kora no hoy itu page to khulishe to let's just explore ami kan ba dekhi ase to PGIM korna ekta company laga equity and mid cap equity matlab stocks te invest korina ase to funds pra mid cap matlab mid size medium size companies khan te hi invest korna ase and if we just grow at this point ET money website pra rank korishe first rank digena ase okay again moi bar repeat korbo moi bar itu website moi bar itu fund recommend kora no hoy this is just so we can explore get comfortable itu information do apni khan ba bi easily access koribole paribo apni ba google korile itu information ahibo okay so now just check itu fund to 2013 ase okay medium size equity can they invest kore ase general performance excellent digena ase different websites can bra which means many analysts currently annualized rate of return 28.76% aro absolute rate of return 5 years de itu laga 102% so which means overall fund to ami han ba start 5 years ago ami ba fund to shuru kori na thagi shikule ajila din de ami han laga investment bra 102% return almost 103% return dikhabole pare bole thagise aro ituke annualized means year on year do on an average 20 year on year 28.76% return so again going back ami khan pas only safe instruments te kori shigule FD post of return die right under 10% return die aru yete ami khan pas sai ase 28% at least this fund bra ita laga time the performance digena ase okay so yeah see bank FD load compare korle bank FD pra 7.18 annualized on an average TSE to this be 28% so ito reason karne hi bishi manohan ba ajikali mutual fund knowledge thaka information thaka manohan ba awareness thaka manohan ba mutual funds funding kore right but then again ito sob to historical data ase aru equity market te invest kuli, nothing is guaranteed. Ito nababi aji itu fund top te ase aji 28% di ase itu next year bhi money dibo. There is no guarantee, okay, and that's what makes it risky. Let's go down here. Itu do tai laga see equity de ase allocation by market capitalization. Kiman size laga companies can invest in stock market te thaligina ase, right? Because fund laga paisa do jaigena stock market investment. Because it to mid cap fund ase, to mid cap wala medium size the companies can de bishi wala investments are over 78% mid cap there, say, or chutu percent to small and large cap they be invest for say, okay. And here again, financial engineering services, itu kan alag sectors kan de different stocks in different sectors dikha se. And see top holdings, see itu soap companies kan do bishi wala medium cap size la thakibo. Okay, so now on an average, this screen is just saying 5 years la return saishibule. On an average, mid-cap companies, mid-cap funds pra about 16.63% return tigina se. Itu de amikhan la fund ito example loa fund do 20.8% per annum tigina se. Okay. So now let me share with you. Itu do huishe medium cap laga, right? Aro moi baite share korobo. Oh, I didn't know my last screen. Let me try changing this. Okay, this is the view I wanted to share with you. Okay, let me go back and scroll. So here you go. Okay, ET Money website this is similarly dusra website pe bhi same information here available thakibo. This one is pretty neat and clean. Now let's look at a small cap fund. Okay, so let me stop share. Aro এতিয়া মই এবাৰ share করব. Small cap fund. Okay, এতিয়া equity small cap. I hope you can see it. Yes. Currently, Access Small Cap Fund do ET Money la category de number 1 there say the one moi bai to khulishe again. Disclaimer, moi bai the recommendation diya no hoy. Let's see taila performance. So mid and small laga at least top wala compare korishile almost similar performance de ase. Annualized return itula bhi 10,000 I mean by 5 years kan invest korna thake shigule achila din de 11.8 lakhs hobo. So almost similar annualized return 27.47. Annualized means per year hisab te over a period of 5 years or over a period of whatever duration. Absolute return means start per finish the simple calculation 96% small cap party gonna say, right? So basic small and mid te bhi compare korle aji laga available data hisab te do mid cap laga performance olo bhala se. Itu size again mid cap is a large combination of medium cap and large cap, right? Itu de sabi itu de aru bhi volatile wala itu amen by the small cap laga do small cap plus mid cap on 55% small cap there, so more volatility I mean experience so this is just itula category de dusra lot comparison kole average down by 18.55 average to itula bhala se or highest to 23.44% in as 5 years de to inia korna apni khan bar nijor bhi basic information any ininga website pa ulawale paribo. So I hope moi bai to sub screens dekha pura apni khan confidence I see that sub information apni khan karne is just at the click of a few buttons apni khan la phone de be available hobole paribo. So that is what it is. And itu information para apni khan bai kiba kibi hiki ase kushukule don't forget to comment, share aro apni khan bi mid and small cap te invest koribole nokorbo, and basic thing step to do is apni khan invest koribole age de make sure ekta goal to ase, financial goal thaka karone hi investment koribo. Don't invest for the sake of investing. Invest so that you can reach your goals. The goal to clear hobo lage aro goal do next 3 years laga ase kore to avoid mid and small cap funds. Okay, so thank you all. Aro ajila video bhal lagise hikishi gole to don't forget to share apne la friends kan lonti koi dibi that hey, women on wealthy jaile amen ba financial knowledge pai goi na. Okay, so thank you, have a great weekend. Aro keep coming to Women on Wealth. Take charge, take care, have a lovely weekend. Bye bye. Thank you.